Just write down your domain name. It's like reminds.com/wp. Write the same and press enter. Then write your username and enter your password. Get logged in. So that's it. It's the backend of WordPress. So it's WordPress backend. All menu will be used to design whole website, but now we are just changing our theme, editing our theme template. Go to appearance, then click on the theme on the left side. Click on the theme. That's it. So here's the install themes. We have already installed these themes. So we can activate anyone to check it out. How does it looks like? We're activating this, then we'll open a new tab and open our website. Here we go. So the theme appears there. Now we want another theme. Yeah, we are checking this theme, just clicking OK. So now this is the theme. We have activated the another theme. So that's it. Yeah. So that's the theme how it was looks like. Then we're changing this. We'll click on the activate of this theme and this theme will be activated. Going to our site invoice.com and here we go. Here's the theme. So we can just we can just check it out. How does it looks like after installing the theme? So before we going on, so we can change theme on that way. It's simple. Okay. Yeah, we change another theme. That's it. We need to just click on the activate. That's it. The theme will be activated. Then we can change this images, text, etc. Everything is so easy. It's so easy basically. Yeah, we just clicked it on the activated. That's it. We're refreshing our website. Here we go. Wow. So that's the theme. Okay, great, great, great. So what next? Look at, yeah, styling another thing. So we'll go again on parents and themes. We'll click on the theme. Then that's it. We can activate any theme and check it out. How does it looks like?